before the world's most ancient marine predator takes its first breath, it spends 180 days as a masterpiece of biological engineering. Witness the microscopic assembly of an apex survivor. From the first heartbeat, to the formation of its serrated cartilaginous jaws. On the cold, kelp-strewn seafloor, a leathery fortress is anchored to the reef. This is the Mermaid's purse, a collagenous vessel containing a single spark of life, shielded from the crushing weight of the Atlantic. Inside the amber-tinted casing, the yolk sac, a vast golden reservoir, begins its transformation. A tiny, translucent note emerges. The very first beat of a heart that will eventually power a tireless hunter. By the second month, a network of crimson capillaries spreads across the yolk like a delicate web. These vessels are the lifelines, extracting every ounce of energy to build the complex architecture of a predator. Now, the form takes shape. Fins emerge from the gelatinous mass, and the first hints of gills appear as delicate slits. The embryo is no longer a passenger, it is a developing force of nature, tethered to its golden sun. The dark eyes, once mere spots, begin to crystallize, designed to detect the faintest glimmer in the deep. Electroreceptors are mapped across the snout, preparing the shark to sense the heartbeat of its future prey. As the yolk shrivels, the shark grows restless. Space within the leathery walls is at a premium. It beats its tail in rhythmic cycles, pumping oxygen-rich water through the slits of the casing to fuel its final surge. The moment of reckoning arrives. The predator must now fight its way out of its own cradle. Using its snout and tail, it probes for a weakness in the seam, a desperate struggle for the freedom of the open ocean. With a final, violent thrust, the shark emerges into the currents of the reef. Fully formed and instinctively lethal, the masterpiece is complete. A new reign begins on the ocean floor.